Mia, what do you have? See, look at Mia playing with her favorite little toy. And there's her sister Bella. Do, 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 do. You guys are so fun. Little 10-week-old brown mackerel tabbies. Oops. Look at me. I am so crazy. So crazy. Where are you going to go? Mia. Get it. Get it. Are you going for the paper roll? Come get it. Can you get the paper roll? Yeah, that one rolls too. That one rolls too. Where's your favorite toy? Can you get it? You have it? Where is it? Where is it? Get it? Get it? Cute little girl. Say, come adopt me. I'm with St. Francis. My sister Mia and Bella. Mia Bella. Eating my beauties, my beauties. You can't find me your forever home.